What's up guys, I have exciting news. Sony released a new cinema camera line, the FX3. Let's get to it. So this new camera Sony released, it is a more video-centric version of the A7S III. According to Sony, this camera is a lightweight, compact, mobile production camera that is meant for solo operators. And I can totally see a lot of indie filmmakers opting for this camera. Let's get to the nitty-gritty. The specs. The camera has a full-frame bokeh for cinematic perspective expression. It has 15 stops of wide dynamic range. It has SINETONE for a more cinematic look. Low light noise at high sensitivity even under low light. ISO up to 40,960, which Sony has always dominated the low light environments. It records at 4K up to 120 frames per second and Ultra HD up to 120 frames per second too. HD up to 240 frames per second with face detection. It comes with an XLR audio module and it has 4 channels for audio recording. It comes with a full-size HDMI and 5-axis in-body image stabilization, which usually we don't find in cinema cameras. The FX3 uses dual CF Express Type A memory cards. The body weighs 1 pound 9 ounces and it features its own exoskeleton that lets you mount accessories without having to use a third-party cage. And also includes a top handle that connects through the hot shoe, which I think can be very handy. One cool feature that I found was that it uses the subject tracking by touching. So I think it's pretty cool that you can do that just on the screen. Also, in regards to the lens, it has an E-mount for Sony lenses. And something that I think is pretty cool, guys, is that the Sony added a fully articulated touchscreen. And I know that for some reason, this brings a lot of controversy in the video content community. And if I'm honest, I don't understand why. But I think it comes down to brand loyalty, which, I mean, it doesn't make much of sense if you ask me. It comes with an integrated fan so you don't have to worry about the camera overheating. And also it has a moisture resistant. So my final thoughts on this camera are, this camera seems like a great camera made specifically for filmmakers. And if you're a solo shooter that likes to shoot short films, music videos, commercials, etc., this camera is for you. But if you ask me, and if I'm honest, I don't see much difference between this camera and the A7S III. They even have the same sensor. Remember guys, a camera is just a tool and it's not going to magically make you a better shooter. The camera you currently have probably is still getting you work and helping you make some money. So that's the answer, I guess. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video and you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell, and see you guys next time. Peace.